Hey Geek, so I've had the Xgimi Elfin Mini Projector for a little over 6 months now, and now I'm going to be giving you my 6-month review with my top 3 pros and my top 3 cons. So let's start with the first and biggest pro for me, and that is the overall big picture experience. And so I watch a lot of movies, I don't have a TV, and I don't really want a TV, but I still want a big screen experience. And whenever I watch this on a wall, the overall picture quality is really great. It has a nice big picture experience, and even though it's not at OLED levels, I honestly can't complain with what I'm getting, especially when I'm watching things like movies or YouTube or any other type of streaming services. I think it looks really good on this projector. And then the second pro is the price. This is a budget mini projector, and at the time I got it for around the $650 to $700 mark. That's including taxes. And for the screen size that I'm getting, which can go up to 100 inches, I definitely couldn't get that with a TV. And at the same time, if I did want to get a smaller screen size, all I have to do is simply move the projector closer. And normally when I'm watching this on my wall, it's around the 65 to 70 inch, and it looks really good for me. And then the final thing with this projector is the size. This is a really small and portable projector. It's really nothing for you to take this, drop it in your bag, and then set up a big projector experience pretty much no matter where you're at. So now getting to the cons of this projector, even though I did say it does provide a really great big picture experience, there's a really big catch to that, and that is if you're watching this in the dark, it looks great. If you're watching this in a lighted environment or during daylight, it looks pretty horrible. Even if you actually have the brightness up to full, don't expect this to replace your television if you are not in a dark environment. And then the second con I had with this is, well, the overall noise levels. As you're watching this, you do hear the fan, and even though as I'm watching things and if the volume's up loud, I really can't hear too much, it is still there. And then another con that I have with this is just the overall autofocus issues. Now there are some focusing settings that you can set, but more often than not, I'm watching something and it'll go out of focus and then it has to refocus itself. And so those are like my top 3 cons of this projector. And I would say none of these things really take over the top 3 pros that I just mentioned a little bit earlier. And for anybody looking for a great big picture experience at a budget price that's portable, it's really hard to beat this Xgimi Elfin. So if you actually had any thoughts on this, be sure to leave in the comments area below. And if you did want to support my channel, I will leave an affiliate link in the description area below. Plus, if you did want to see my full review of the Xgimi Elfin, I'll leave that in the description area below or up here.